Another common problem with Suzuki, not just Suzuki, but plenty of other bikes have this issue. So, turn the key on. You pull your clutch in. You hit your start button, and nothing. Well, you have to have a couple things in order for your solenoid to engage. Got to be in neutral, kickstand up, clutch in. On Suzuki, got to have the clutch pulled in. You can hear it clicking. But a lot of times that click doesn't mean anything. So, what you gotta do to test it is unplug your clutch switch, these two wires right here, and see if I can do this with one hand. I'm gonna put a little something in here to bypass it. Now, so there you go. Just put a little cotter pin in there to bypass it. You can use a fuse, piece of wire, whatever you got. Now, it thinks the clutch is pulled in. So, that tells me bad clutch switch. So bypass it or, put you a new clutch switch in. They're like 15 bucks on Amazon.